Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way I cook my spaghetti. I have two boys and it's very difficult for them to eat spaghetti with sauce, adding sauce and so on. They don't like that. So I just cook something that is really fast and straightforward, and me too, I love it. Sometimes it's not always that I have to add sauce and everything. So you guys, let me show you what you need. So I have here my spaghetti, you can see. Then I have, this is my bouillon, this is coriander, basilikum. Then I have my garlic here. So these are some of the things just you need. And then olive oil, I'm going to measure. So I'm going to measure my oil here using the tablespoon. 2. Then I'm going to add my garlic. It's already hot here because I use induction, and induction is very fast. So adding my garlic, you can see guys. Then at this moment I'm going to add my bouillon. I'm going to add my spaghetti here. Yes, this is what I do. So I'm going to add my spaghetti. And then add a little bit of water, just a little bit of water. Yes. Yeah, you can use that. So then I will increase my temperature, and then I have to start turning this. You can have a look. I don't actually it's not here, maybe it's down. So then I have to turn. So I know most of you will say, oh, it requires too much work because you have to turn and so on. No, it doesn't. I know you have to turn, and after 7 minutes your spaghetti is already cooked. You're ready to eat, So guys, you can see that the spaghetti is already shaking. Just a matter of turning. And I know some of you are wondering, there's a lot of garlic. Yes, I love garlic. Garlic gives that wonderful flavor. So at this moment now I'm going to add my basilikum and coriander. So you can cook different. You can also add other herbs, other spices, because when I have too much of other things, my boys will be like, oh, you're not eating this, just looking, and they're like, oh, we are not eating this. That's how they are. So you can see, well, so you have all the flavor inside the spaghetti. Sometimes I use butter, but when I use butter, which means the boys, they are not going to eat, they'll be like, oh, it smells different, so it's always olive oil. Yeah, they're a little bit difficult So this is for parents who have difficult kids when it comes to it. So this is something you can do to add flavor to the spaghetti, you know, and also even pasta. So you can see. So let me just try to hold one and try to squeeze. Yes, it's already done. Yeah, so sometimes what I do is, because I have my other boy who likes olive oil, so when it's done, let me just show you how I do when it's done. Or for everybody, I add extra olive oil and then serve it. So we are done, guys. So this is, you can have a look. All the garlic. For garlic lovers like me, here you are. So let me just try to put on the plate and garnish, and that's all. So this is my plate. Okay. So guys, this is my simple spaghetti I cook mostly for my kids. You can have a look. Quick and simple.